Hello everyone, today we will see how to make the sum of related elements thanks to the columns of related tables in TimeTonic. So it's very simple. Let's take the following example. Our project management template. We have here some projects. Each project is attached and linked through a link to a company on our companies table. And each project has an associated amount. So it's a fairly simple case of use that we often find. The idea here would be to know how to sum of the project amounts for each company. So it's very simple. In fact, as the projects are linked to the company through this column, I will be able to go to the company table, actually bring back the different amounts for each opportunity or project. They are called opportunities here, but they're projects. So here, for example, we can see that the La Poste has various associated projects. She has 2 projects, each with 2 amounts. You can see that when I move the mouse, I have the averages and so on displayed directly. But I would like to have a fixed indicator on my table. What I'm going to do is, simply, adding a field in my company table. The next field, which will be in fact what we call a lookup, which will allow to extract the different amounts of the linked elements. Here, I will use a column from a link table field. Since we have seen that the 2 tables are linked together. So TimeTonic here asks me with which link I want to display data. Here what interests me is the link opportunity and which column in the project table. As a result, it comes to understand that it is a column from the project table to be displayed. I will simply ask to display the amounts. At the view level, I'm going to put a default view because I don't want to filter this display. I will insert my field here, which will allow me to have the various amounts associated with the related elements of each company. Now it's not over. What I want to do is add up these amounts, so I will simply add a new field. And here I will use a formula field. And the formula that interests us here is the formula sum elements, which will sum the elements of this chain of elements that we have just created. We can also do NB elements in the same way, but NB elements will simply write the number of elements. So here I will select the sum elements formula and I will point to this formula on my lookup field. Here is the one I am interested in. I will go directly to the options to say the format that I want in my result and the symbol in euro. And I just want to add a new field, which will sum up the total amounts of the projects associated with my companies, live and dynamically. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. For more information about TimeTonic, goodbye.